back to 20 car. The 2026 Maserati MCPura Unofficial Concept emerges as a rolling sculpture, an automotive vision sculpted in pure Italian artistry. Its exterior features flowing aerodynamic lines, a bold Trident emblem gracing the low-slung front fascia, and razor-sharp LED matrix headlights that create a predatory stance. A wide mesh grille, carbon fiber side skirts, and sculpted rear haunches emphasize both elegance and aggression, while 21-inch forged alloy wheels anchor its powerful silhouette. Inside the front cabin, the dashboard blends futuristic minimalism with artisanal craftsmanship. A sweeping digital display dominates the fascia, seamlessly integrating performance telemetry, navigation, and infotainment. Premium leather stitched in contrasting tones envelopes the surfaces, while Alcantara headliners and carbon inlays elevate the ambience. The flat-bottom steering wheel with haptic controls underscores the car's driver-first philosophy. In the rear cabin, the MCPura offers an unexpectedly luxurious two-seat configuration. Sculpted leather seats with reclining capability, ambient lighting strips, and a center console with climate and entertainment controls transform it into a grand tourer suited for extended journeys. Under the sculpted hood lies a twin-turbo V8 hybrid system, producing an estimated 750 horsepower. Combined with lightweight carbon fiber architecture, the MCPura rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers height in just 2.9 seconds, rivaling Ferrari and McLaren supercars. Competitors include the Ferrari 296 GTB, McLaren Artura, and Lamborghini Revuelto, each vying for dominance in the hybrid supercar segment. Expected pricing is projected around $250,000, positioning it as an exclusive masterpiece of Italian engineering for connoisseurs seeking both art and adrenaline.